My yard is getting completely decimated. There's some gas leak in the front yard, and they're digging it up. That's my front yard. Oh, man.
Earth to Lukas. Testing the mic. Hello. You can't see me because I'm behind the corner.
Alright, so that's what's up. I'm using this wireless microphone by Sony here. I actually purchased this quite a few years ago when I was doing videos for small companies.
Dude, look at what they did to the yard. Or the driveway. Man, look at that. Not good.
Throw that up there. What's that? Alright. So I'd probably normally film this video on the side of the yard, but the park is prettier. So I'm gonna take these garbage cans to the park. Side flip hack, but you gotta commit yourself. It's about to get so ghetto. Let's pull it out. Learn the side flip right here, right now. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but the cloud coverage is coming over. And it's starting to rain, so dang it, gotta get out of here. Shoot, all right, we're gonna try again later. Straight up. Alright, so it's kind of raining out, it was cloudy out, I wimped out. You know what? I'm gonna go train right now for about 30 minutes of power, and then we're gonna come back out here, and if it's raining, whatever, we're gonna make this video, because I'm gonna make it happen. We're gonna find a spot, and we're gonna make these 2 videos. Side flip in minutes, and then we're gonna make 5-minute abs for Only Kinds Fitness on Tuesdays. Hopefully this works. YOLO, people! Oh, shoot. Yeah, okay, no one saw that. Oh, nobody's here. Alright, we're doing this. X marks the spots, people. Oh, don't. What? No. I don't even care. I don't even care. If you're gonna strike me, lightning. Come on. Look at this. Sun's coming. It's right there. See that? It's the sun right there. It's coming. It's coming. It's raining out. It's raining out. Oh, come on. The sun's almost out. You stupid rain. Go away. Go away. Come on. How is this happening? It's peace right now. A few minutes to test this out. Otherwise, we're pooed on. All right, testing this mic. Well, this is gonna be fun. Peace, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe. Holy moly, it's a deer. All right, we're gonna do crunches. Then we're gonna do. All right, what's up, everybody? 5-minute in-home ab workout. Get ready to follow along right now. Forgot my shoes. Shoot. All right. Don't run out of batteries, please. Daddy's gotta go to work. Oh shoot, got some strange luck with that sunshine today. And lost my keys. I would assume so. Did I leave them in the car? No, I swear I locked that thing. Shoot. Oh man, this ain't good. Lost the keys. Let's chill. In here? Oh man. At least we're getting a tan though. Oh, dude, what? You freaking kidding me right now? Yeah. Stealing a car. That was a close one. Yes! Alright, that was a solid day of filming. A little bit of training in there. It is a training day for me, but I really had to get a lot of work done. Had to film, now I'm gonna go edit this stuff. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you're liking those vlogs. You guys all have a good one, alright? Peace. Don't forget to subscribe.